I think in moderation is the right thing. Arabs were hugely strong and they put so much that there are times that even we find it difficult to handle it because then you're not enjoying anything around you.
क्या करते हैं अरब ऐसा कि
स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट लगाते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा लगाते हैं और अजमल से लगाते हैं. that's the thing, that's the secret.
I was flying one time and मेरे पास मेरी पास वाली सीट पे एक बीच में आयल है, ठीक है, मैं आयल पे बैठा हूँ, बीच में आयल है और फिर उस साइड अरब लेडी है. मैं 9 घंटे की फ्लाइट थी लंदन टू इंडिया एंड वो 9 घंटे तक वो स्मेल ही नहीं गई. खाना आ गया, मैं घूम के आ गया, मैं बाथरूम चले गया, मैंने सब कर लिया, मैं सो के उठ गया. वो स्मेल इज जस्ट वाओ. मतलब टेक ऑफ से लेके लैंडिंग तक वो स्मेल इतनी स्ट्रांग थी. ऐसा क्या करते हैं? आई वाज जस्ट वंडरिंग कि कैसे लगाया इसने, क्या लगा, इतनी स्ट्रांग तो कुछ भी नहीं होता.
अगर तुम नहीं होती है, इट इज द रिचुअल ऑफ इट. इट इज नॉट जस्ट द फ्रेग्रेंस. सो अ टिपिकल अरब का रिचुअल, फ्रेग्रेंसिंग रिचुअल क्या होता है कि पहले तो लेट्स अस्यूम दैट दे नॉट अस्यूम मोस्ट ऑफ देम डू हैव लेट्स से अ मेड. सो द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस, वो जो उसको पहनना है, okay, now they wear something underneath and then they wear the abaya, which is the black in color and different colors. So what she will first do is she'll put the abaya outside and the maid will infuse incense in it. It could be either the bakhur or the oud itself. Number one. Then she will have used a shower gel and then a fairly strong moisturizer as well. Okay, that would have a decent smell. Either it could be the same as the shower gel or not. That's a different thing. Then she comes out, she wears her clothes. Okay, before that she may or may not even put a body mist. Okay, then she wears her whatever she's going to wear, and then she will douse herself with the perfume that she's going to wear for the day. All of them are mostly different. Then she will put some oud on her skin, so it has the thing. And before she wears the shela, she'll probably put hair mist. And then she will wear the abaya.
जिसमें बखूर already है.
जिसमें बखूर का already है. And then she might even put some oil on that. Because it's dark in color mostly and it will not show, but it will have its presence. So how many rituals? We're talking like 8 fragrancing rituals.
7 or 8 step routine.